Alright, so we're up here in the Ballroom AV closet. We're going to go over how to do all the AV here in the ballroom. First, with all the AV, most of it you're going to need the projector on, meaning the TV, the DVD, or the computer you're going to need the projector on. So what you want to do first is you want to find this gray remote and turn the projector on by pressing the power button and aiming it at either at this panel or going underneath of the projector and pressing the power button. And when you press that button to signify that the projector is warming up, you'll see that green blinking button, or green blinking light, and that'll signify the projector is warming up. Next, what you want to do is you want to turn on the Kramer unit by switching on the green power switch. And so we're going to do the DVD player first. And what you want to do for the DVD player is you want to turn on, first you want to turn on the Denon down here, that's the sound control for everything. And then you want to turn on the DVD player itself. And the DVD player should appear up on the screen. Actually, what you got to do is for any of the TV, DVD, and computer, what you got to do is you got to hit source 2. And now it's up on the screen. So make sure you hit source 2 for anything, otherwise it won't come up. Next, we're going to go over to the TV. All you got to do is you got to switch over to the TV button, and the TV comes up.
From the Ron Mexico incident to incidents at airports
and like I said, you got to make sure that the Denon is on the sound unit, otherwise nothing will come on. It's just gonna stay blank. And make sure that the sound unit is always set on NVDP. That's crucial, and sound won't play if it's not on that, no matter what it is, no matter if it's TV, DVD, or computer. Now, what we want to do is switch to wall VGA, which is the computer input up front. See, there you go. There, the computer's up on the screen. And the computer input, where the computer core plugs into the wall, is up here. And you always want to put the computer, if you're putting the computer on the podium, usually the podium is right underneath of this beam. It's directly underneath of here, and you just put the computer on the podium. Okay, and that's how you deal with all of the projector AV. Now we're going to do how you deal with the mics and the volumes of the mics and all that. Basically, there are 4 mic jacks around the walls of the ballroom. There's one over there next to that desk, one over here behind the curtains, one on this side of the room, on the First Stadium side of the room, and then one all the way at the end of the room next to the door. And those are labeled, if you want to come over here. This one is input 1, and then the rest around the room will be input 2, 3, and 4. And so what you want to do when you're controlling the mic volumes is first you want to turn up the master volume, and then you can adjust the inputs, the volume of the inputs according to what jack they are. So this one would turn up the volume over here, and then just go around the room and turn up the volume as needed. And that is how you deal with the AV in the ballroom.